I found out that it has a weird, like, in its sac, in its below sac, it has a lot of, I would say, like, veiny structures that are way different from the color it looks. So it's black, veiny structures that have a certain point. So let's say the veins go out this way, they all come back to a certain point in the middle of the abdomen of the of the particular tick. And I think that's where the store, so if when it bites, that's where the blood goes and how it stays there. So I think that's how it's able to suck so much blood in a short time, in a short time span.
So the abdomen will be able to expand to accommodate the blood.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it's very particularly hairy.
Hairy?
Yes. It's like, it has like hairy follicles around its legs, abdomen, and head.
There might be kind of sensitive hairs that detect the environment or where it is on the animal, so to be able to know where it is and whether it can bite it there or not.
Yes, I feel like that is.
But if you look up that insect or tick anatomy, then you probably find out a lot more about them, of what all that is about.